case?
This is no different than 2 weeks ago when Mayor Landrieu said the law is in effect and we intend to enforce it. Today, the TRO has been lifted, the law is in effect, we intend to enforce it. We will take the opportunity this evening to make sure everybody in the park knows, just to make doubly sure, you know, not everybody watches the news, not everybody has access to the news. So we're going to go out there this evening a couple times and make sure people are perfectly clear that the TRO has been lifted, and we will also leaflet them and let them know exactly what the laws are that we intend to enforce. Remember, if you are in the park between 6 a.m. and 10:30 p.m. without building structures and without violating any laws, you can protest all day long. But it's after 10:30 and before 6 that you cannot be in the park, as well as you do not have the authority at any time because of state law and city law to build structures on the park, to have electricity, to be cooking out, to have open flames, etc.
The protesters say they're now moving to a vacant lot in another part of the city, all of them. Are they allowed to be in just a vacant lot? I'm not sure who owns the lot, or will you guys be checking to see where they are?
We'll be continuing to check if anybody makes a complaint, obviously, about somebody squatting on their property, and it's private property. That's a whole different issue. There's no questions there about private property and what people can do on your property. So we'll monitor it. Look, we've had a very good relationship with the Occupy group, and we'll continue to do so.
Wait, the first chance for enforcement will be tonight at 10:30? Is that sort of when you'll...
Essentially, the first chance for enforcement's now. I mean, the TRO was lifted, and the TRO means that now that the TRO has been lifted, you can't have structures, you can't have tents, you can't have all those issues that are already against the law. But we want to notify people. We want to take the opportunity to make sure everybody out there knows what the laws are, again, like we did 2 weeks ago.
Anybody else? All right, thank you all.